Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check top 5 best free project management tools. So let's start. First one I recommend is Rig. Rig is a platform to streamline all the workflow and organize your work, enhance collaboration, and accelerate the execution across all departments. You can go to the principal page and check what you can do on Rig. For example, improve visibility and alignment, eliminate waste efforts, and the best part of this is that you can try completely free. So if you want to try it and you are interested on this rig, you go here and try for free. The second one is Jira. Jira is also completely free. It's a platform that you can use for your projects also and organize all of them. It also suggests by AI, so something that they can help you a lot. And you can go also to the first page that is Jira and try it. Just register and get it free if you want to try it, and you can sign up with your email if you want to. For example, with Google, you can try it and select the email that you want to use it, and then continue. And well, now you can go and try Jira for free. So just wait a little bit until they sign up. Just continue. And when it's already done, well, you can start using what kind of work do you do. For example, design. Just continue. And ready to use Jira. It has a small tutorial if you want to try it, to check it and see how it works. Well, you can use it. So Jira, it's a good way to work. And as you can see, it was completely free to register. Just it finish up. And when it finish up, well, you can start using Jira without any problem. So that is how you can register to Jira, and one of the top best management that you can use it. So this is all your all set that you can see, and you can use it. The next one is Asana. Asana, well, it has a different language that you can use. In this case, right now it's in Spanish. And let me change to English. So you can register completely free also with your Google Work account. And well, you can see plans, check progress, and discuss works in one place with Asana. You can do work manager and stay on top of everything of the team is doing. So you can see here all the information of Asana, what you can do. If you see, it's similar to Rig, but well, this is also completely free. Only you can start using it and get the start. So just register with your Google Work account. The next one is Trello. I think Trello right now is very popular for all of them. So you can try Trello. It's also completely free. And well, also here you can organize your productivity or your business completely free. So you can get actions and direction, folder automation, card mirroring, and will simplify a complex process and risk manager. So you can try it and you can sign up for free. So you can get Trello for free. And for example, register with your Google account, select the one, and well, easily you create a Trello account completely free. So for example, I want to organize ideas and work, or you can skip. So just click here, next. Okay, one last thing. So that's how it works. And you can start using Trello free. As you can see, this is how Trello looks. And the last one, it's Monday. Monday.com will help you also to organize all your work. Let me change to English. So Monday will help you to workflow your business and also to personalize your projects, CRM, TIE, or develop your software. So you can start using also here all the information that you can do on Monday.com. So it's completely free, as you can see, and only you have to register. So you can start now and register with your Google account without any problem. You don't need a credit card that give you the power to start using it without any problem. So just continue with your Google account And well, for example, I want to use for my personal business, other, just click here. And as you can see, what's easy to register. Of course, you can select what is fit for you, but if you don't want to, just go to ahead and try it. Okay, let's try. So let's wait a little bit until this is on, and you can see here I start with Monday. So that's the way to register. As you can see, what's easy. It's completely free. You don't need credit card, anything to register here. So I give you the top list that is Monday.com, Trello, and for me it's Jira. So you can use whatever of these for using. Of course, all the 5 are free, but these ones I think are the easiest to use. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.